Okay. Happy new month, guys. Yes, indeed. Today is the 1st of July. It is Friday. And of course, it happens to be the beginning of the third quarter and also the beginning of the second half of the year 2022. I don't know about you, but I am totally excited. In this second half, I know there's going to be nothing but profitable trades left, right, and center, north, east, west, south, all the angles. Trust me, you just have to believe in yourself, right? Now, speaking of profitable trades, this is what I just want to talk about today, right? Today is the last trading day of the week, right? So I want to talk about how many successful trades do you need in a week? I repeat, how many successful trades do you need in a week? I'm saying in a week and not in a day, because in a day, you might not have any trade whatsoever. So not to put pressure on yourself, how many in a week? Is either a week or a month. So now this is it. I had 2 trades this week, right? And they were successful. So I want to talk about them just to enlighten you guys the more with respect to that question, right? So now look at it this way. This is the Euro USD, and on this Euro USD, I'm going to show you exactly what my thought process was. You can see overall, the market looks a bit sideways, ranging, consolidating as well. But if you look at what we had from this week, after it got to these highs over here, right, which happened to be resistance area, and it failed to break. Now the market went back to this area, which was supposed to act as what? It was supposed to act as support, but it failed. And upon failing, seeing this move and then testing this area here, you can see everything is marked here, support, resistance, as you can see, support, support, support. Now I knew that this area should now act as resistance. I knew this area should now act as resistance. And judging from the flow of the market this week, the directional bias, all I did was simply to wait for market, the price to get back to this point, and seeing the struggle, I didn't hesitate. I jumped in here and then what the market as it fell to this area of support, but then look at the big candle that I used to break out. And then I knew, yes, I'm on to something. And of course, I wanted my final take profit here, right? And then I got my final take profit at this area. And this gave me about 8 hours, meaning that for one risk, I got about 8 reward on this. That simply means that I don't need too many trades, because once your risk to reward is in good proportion, trust me, you do not need too many trades. So I got 8 hours on this trade and I was satisfied. I could have easily decided to go longs on this area here as I had confirmation, and that was yesterday, but I decided, hey, 8 hours is good. Let me just leave that for now. There will always be good opportunities. Besides, I didn't want to go against this move for the week, right? The trend is your friend, right? And then look at what happened. The market now pushed back to this area of resistance. You can see we have it as resistance support, some resistance support over here. And then voila, this is what happened, as you can see. So now from yesterday night till now, this is what we're having. But then I don't trade on Fridays. Fridays is off for me. I've noticed that Fridays is profit taking day. It's always best for me to stay out. And that's why I took my profit out on this trade yesterday, Thursday, right? So this was a sweet 8 hour. Beautiful. And this was not the only trade, by the way. I was opportunity to get another opportunity. I was opportunity to get another opportunity. I was opportunity to get another fantastic trade, and that is gold. Gold, very similar to what I just showed you now on the Euro USD. If you look over here, we have some areas here of resistance, resistance, resistance. You can see everything here, support, support, support. So this was a very key, valid area of interest. And from this week's price action, you can see what happened. We had a break to this downside, right? It smashed through this support and then got to the support and then pushed higher. This was my opportunity. And one thing I'll say is that everything I do is based on support and resistance. Just understanding what is going to happen where is a very key aspect for me. And this is what happened when the price pulled back to this area here. I knew this was going to act as what? It was going to act as resistance. And judging from the flow of this week, you can check on the flow from this week where the market has been falling, has been tanking on gold. And that gave me a no-brainer trade to look for short opportunities. While getting here, I got in on my short, and then it went down. Look at what happened over here. This was very beautiful because based on trade management, somebody would have closed it out earlier. So it got to this point here where you have like support over here, support here. You would have cashed out over here for your profits. And if you had, then no problem whatsoever. But my final take profit was over here. And look at what happened from here. We had a big one, which almost took out my entry over here because I had moved my stop loss to break even, making it a free trade for me, a risk-free trade for me. But lo and behold, from here, what happened? It just dropped nicely, got back to that support and dropped again. And then early this morning, just before London, it got to my take profit over here, and I was able to make 11 reward, meaning that for one risk, I was able to make 11 reward. So if I was risking 1%, then I just made 11% back on my trade on this particular. Sorry, it was about 11.5. Let me add a 0.5 because it also adds up. So I made about 11.5 on this particular trade, and that was the beauty for me. So once again, how many successful trades do you need in a week? In a week, I'm not saying in a day, because you might not find trades each day so that you don't put pressure on yourself. So how many successful trades do you need in a week? And then you can even extend it to a month. Trust me, you do not need that much. With the two trades I've gotten, the Euro USD that gave me 8 reward, and then this gold that gave me 11.5 reward, trust me, for some traders, it is good enough for them for the entire month. So this simply means that you should not be placing trades like a crazy person using the machine gun, but rather you should be a sniper trader. I repeat, you should be a sniper trader where you place your trades and then you just wait for what? You just wait for the best of the best of the best trades to come, and you're looking out for maybe like 2 or 3 trades in a week, and then you nail it, and then you wait for the next opportunity to come next week, right? I know the market is still open, and then some of you might still be trading or whatever the case may be. It's not a problem, but try not to put pressure on yourself. Thank you guys. Has been a good one, sharing with you my thought process, my morning Forex trading routine. I think that video was from Monday. We posted videos throughout this week, so you can go and watch all of them, and then you see the build up. Yeah, you see the build up to the areas the trade that I took. I believe I did that on Tuesday, on Wednesday, talking about the trade opportunity, the trade idea for USD on that day. So you can also see, and that is little evidence for you. So if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to reach out. And then also looking at what I have for this second half, very beautiful. I'm working on a strategy session where you can reach out to me and let's discuss your trading for free, absolutely free, right? Let's find out what the problems are, and then we'll look for solutions together. Thank you. Any other thing that you need will be in the description below. Links will be in the description for the free training, for the secrets to the profitable trading course at a massive discount now of about 60% discount, just going for $37 now. You need one-on-one session or whatever the case might be. All the descriptions, all the links will be in the description below. Thank you guys. Enjoy the day. Goodbye and have a wonderful weekend. TGIF guys. Second half, we're going to kill it. Peace. Love you guys.